Maintenance on the Highline Dropper Post is fast and easy. Using the supplied lubricant, you'll want to lubricate the seals every 150 to 175 hours, depending on the riding conditions that you're in. You can break free the top collar of your seat post and slide it up the shaft. Tear off the top portion of the lubrication packet before applying a small bead around the shaft of the dropper post. The packet will be enough for 2 applications. Slide the collar down the shaft of the seat post and press down slightly while turning the collar. It'll be snug just by hand and no tools are needed. And that's how easy it is to maintain your Crankbrothers Highline Dropper Post.